Welcome to class 8, last chapter 8 in semester 2, Manushya Simhayoho Maitri, a story of friendship between a human being and a lion. Yes, it can be true, and this chapter is based on a true event. So let's find out the exact place in Gujarat where the friendship of a human being and a lion was seen. प्रिय छात्राः नमस्ते, मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए, प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभम कुर्मः। दिस स्टोरी इज situated at Saurashtra Pradesh. Okay, all of you know in Gujarat a place Saurashtra. सौराष्ट्र प्रदेशे सत्ताधार ग्रामस्य समीपे मोटी मौणपरी नामकः ग्रामः वर्तते. So exact location where the true event happened is written in the first line itself. So all of you know in Gujarat there is one Saurashtra Pradesh. In the Saurashtra there is a province named Sattadhar. In the Sattadhar there is a village named Moti Maunapari. In that village, कति वर्ष पूर्वे तस्मिन् ग्रामे मात्रावालः नामकः एकः कृषिवल्लः आसीत्. कृषिवल्लः means a farmer and the name of the farmer is Matrawalah. Here it is. In the book many of the places there is Matrawalah also, but we will say it Matrawalah. So wherever there is mistake like this, please correct it like this, Matrawalah. So kati varsha purve, some years back, Tasmin Grame, in the same village, there was a farmer named Matravala. Nadyaha tate Krishivatika asit. So Krishivallaha is a farmer, Krishivatika is a farm. Ini zameen hati. So his farm, he is a kherut, so khet kya hatu? In the place near a river. Okay, Nadyaha tate. So what a beautiful scenario to work near river, right? And all the agricultural farms in our country are mostly around river. So at the end of the day, Matrawalah pratidinam vatikayam vrukshatale sthitva nadyah jalam apashyat. So for relaxing time, what he used to do? Matrawalah pratidinam, daily he used to watch nadyah jalam, the river water flowing. Where? Vruksha tale sthitva. He was sitting under a tree and watching the waves of the river or the river flowing in his own farm, in the own Krishivatika. And can you see both of these? One is called Simha and one is Simha Bharya, lion and the lioness. Bharya is a word for Patni. So whenever he used to watch, he used to see these two, lion with the wife, coming to drink water in the same nadi. So it goes like, Ekada saha apashyat. Once he saw. What did he see? Simhaha swabharyaya saha nadyaha jalapanartham agachat. Siha with bharya, patni. Lion with his wife, lioness, went to the river for jalapan, for drinking water. Nadyaha jale sthitah makaraha. And there was a makaraha, a crocodile, who is in this river. So this makaraha is watching the Siha and the Siha Bharya daily. And one day, what does he do? Makaraha Simha Bharyayaha vadham akarot. Makar killed the lioness. Simhaha tasyaha rakshanaya prayatnam akarot. Lion tried hard for protecting her. Kintu nishfalah abhavat. But he was not successful and the lioness died. Dukkhitah simhaha nadyaha tate atishtat. And sadly, he waited there itself for something to happen, for lioness to become better. But he was there itself on the tata. Tata is the word for kinara. On the bank of the river, he stayed still, sad. So now he wants a revenge. जिसने मेरी पत्नी को मारा मैं उसे मारूंगा. So this kind of revenge he has to take. So he waited there at the shore just to have one more fight with the crocodile. Chaturnam dinanam anantaram. After exactly 4 fine days, yada makaraha nadyaha tata samipam. There's a mistake here, please correct it. Agachat tada Simha shigrataya akramanam akarot. So after 4 days, when, can you see the structure? Yada and tada. These two are generally used together. Yada, when. Tada, then. Jab, tab. Jyare, tyare. So yada, tada. Yada makaraha. When the crocodile agachat came. Where? When the crocodile came near the bank of the river, tada, at that time, simha shigrataya. Shigra is the word for fast. So, lion attacked, akramanam akarot, attacked the crocodile there and then itself. What happened? Tayoho madhye gaura yuddham abhavat. There is a ta missing, halant missing, please write it. So, gaura yuddham, a furious war happened between both of them, lion and the crocodile. Who won? You guessed it right. Simha makarasya vadham akarot. Because this time he had to take a revenge. So lion won and lion killed the crocodile. But crocodile is a very difficult one to fight with. So उसने भी बहुत मारा होगा. So now this सिंह is full घायल, injured. किंतु सह स्वयं अपि क्षतिग्रस्तः भूत्वा तत्रैव अपतत. So he is now injured. So after being injured himself, क्षति यानी worms, बहुत सारे worms उसको हुए हैं. कहाँ कहाँ उसने उसे मारा होगा, बाइट किया होगा, खून उसका भी निकल रहा है. So lion himself is injured, and after being injured, he falls there itself on the bank of the river. And all this is continuously being watched by this Matravalah named farmer, isn't it? Matravalah duratah apashyat. Duratah etat. This all was seen by Matravalah from far away. Saha shatigrasta simhasya sahayatartham tatra agachat. So he went there on the opposite shore after crossing the river, and he helped that Sinha, injured Sinha, by some jari booty, aushadhi, some medicinal properties, plants he had, and to make him cure. Now, if there was no humanity, he could have saved himself. That he is going to a lion. A lion is not a herbivorous animal. He is a carnivorous. He will eat that man out. But still, because of all the daya bhavna, he went to the Simha, because Simha ki patni nahi hai. He is injured. So mentally and physically he is broken. He needs help. That's why farmer decided, mera jo bhi ho, right now this fellow is needing my help. So I will cross the river and go there to help. Saha shatigrasta simhasya sahayatartham. For helping that injured lion, tatra agachat. He went there. Aushadhani aniya saha simhasya sushrusham akarot. Sushrusha is the word for seva. He did seva of the simha by bringing some medicinal plants, aushadha. Kati dinan anantaram, meaning dina is day, anantaram is later on. Later on, after some days, simha swasthaha abhavat. Sinha became healthy. Tathacha tasya mitram abhavat. And he became a best friend of the farmer. Because without worrying about his own life, he helped a carnivorous animal. Isn't it strange? It needs a lot of guts. It's not some dog or a cat. It's a lion. Simhaha vanasya raja. Yadi saha dharayati krishivallam khadati shipati. Parantu na. He is also having the feeling, same feelings. Oh, this is a man and he has taken courage to help me. I should also not harm him. So equally, daya bhavna, understanding is there in both of them. Okay, so wherever there is ta halant mistake, I have corrected it in haritah varna, green color. Please correct it in your book. Whatever is printed is not true. अब सिंह की भार्या तो है नहीं, तो वो अब क्या करेगा? But he has found a new friend in Matravala, so he stays with him for the rest of the time. Tad anantaram, after that, sah eva simhah pratidinam Matravala gruhe tasya samipam nyavasat. Nyavasat is having ni plus avasat. वो रहता था. After that, the sa eva. Why is the need to write eva? We want to say alag-alag lion nahi. That particular lion only visited and lived in the grihe of Matraval, in the house of Matraval daily. तो रोज वो वहीं रहता था. सह मात्रावालेन सह सर्वत्र भ्रमणम अकरोत्. He roamed here and there with Matraval always, like a friend. So here there is a mistake because Matraval is the name, but whenever we use saha, it governs instrumental case, meaning Tritiya Vibhakti. Ramena saha, Shivena saha. Similarly, Matravalena saha. Tasya griham kshetrancha arakshat. And like a best friend, he guided his farm and house, both. घर की रक्षा करता था, खेत की रक्षा करता था. कभी देखा है लायन को ऐसा करते हुए? सी मनुष्य सिंहयोः एषा अद्वितीया मैत्री कति वर्ष पर्यंतम प्राचलत. This एषा अद्वितीया, अद्वितीया is never happened before. Advitiya, unique, extraordinary. So this extraordinary tale of friendship between a man and a lion happened for some more years. Katipaya, Kati is some more years. But as a farmer, as a human being, as a short lifespan, then a lion, he died. Then also, during the Agni Sanskar and the Yatra also, people noticed something. What was that? Correct here, it is not Matravalam, it should be Matravalasya. Matravalasya nidhana kale dukhitah simhah smashana yatrayam api agachat. Smashana yatra, from home where he died to the Agni Sanskar place. This simha accompanied like a own relative, own friend. He's an animal that can also he is behaving like a human being. All emotions are same in all the prani. We are also prani, they are also prani. But what happens is, who is a prani? One who is having prana, meaning life, are prani. But हमें क्या हो गया है? हमने सिर्फ प्राणी शब्द animals के लिए रखा है. We are also prani. So nidhana is mrityu kale. So when the farmer died, when the Matraval died, dukhitah simha, the sad lion, accompanied everyone in the smashana yatra, the way towards smashan. Smashanatah eva saha vanam agachat. And then after, because he is having no more friends here, he went back to the forest. From the smashan, he went to the forest directly. Tad anantare, after that, ko api janaha tam simham na apashyat. Nobody living there in the same village never saw that lion again coming here to the farm or the house. Adyapi, today also, janaha etasya satya prasangasya vismaranam kartum na shaknuvanti. People cannot forget this incident that happened, that this true incident that happened is unforgettable. As you can see here, the lion is also feeling sad, also feeling emotional because of the loss of the friend. So indeed, this friendship is advitiya. Unbelievable, unforgettable, but experienced by those. Just imagine how incredible God has made all of us. We just need to be careful that we do not harm any animals, any birds, any insects. Astu, dhanyavadaha, punarmilamaha. Do some Parokar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadah.